Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. Alright, let's begin. Open your Google Sheet and click Extensions at the top. Then select Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type GPT for Sheets and Docs. Click on it and hit Install. Allow the necessary permissions, select your Google account, and confirm access. Once installed, go back to Extensions and you'll see GPT for Sheets and Docs listed. Also, you can just hover your cursor over it and select Open. Now you'll be prompted that your free trial has ended. You don't need to worry about that, and click on the back arrow. Next, click on the hamburger menu at top left corner and select API keys from the submenu. Here, all of your added API keys will be displayed. In order to connect OpenAI account with this extension, you will need your API key. For that, access OpenAI website and access the API platform from left side. Next, click on API Login, and this web page will appear on your screen. Then, access the API Reference tab from top right corner and click on the Organization Settings embed. After that, click on the Create New Secret Key button in the center of the web page. Name it whatever you like. Select the default project and click on the Create button. Now, copy the API key and paste it into the Sheets extension. Once done, save the changes and you will be good to go. Just make sure you have an OpenAI paid plan, because it is only available for premium users. So that's basically how you can install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.